Climate change and health, risks and impacts. Welcome to today's video, where we explore the profound impact of climate change on human health, highlighting the risks and implications for communities worldwide. 1. Overview of climate change. Climate change, driven by increased greenhouse gas emissions, is causing significant shifts in global temperatures and weather patterns, leading to a host of environmental changes that directly and indirectly affect human health. 2. Heat-related illnesses. Rising temperatures and more frequent heat waves increase the risk of heat-related illnesses, such as heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Vulnerable populations, including the elderly, children, and those with pre-existing health conditions, are particularly at risk. 3. Air quality and respiratory diseases. Air pollution, exacerbated by climate change, leads to poor air quality, which can trigger respiratory diseases like asthma, bronchitis, and other chronic lung conditions. Increased levels of pollutants such as ozone and particulate matter pose serious health risks. 4. Spread of infectious diseases. Warmer temperatures and changing precipitation patterns expand the habitats of disease-carrying vectors such as mosquitoes and ticks. This increases the incidence and geographic spread of vector-borne diseases like malaria, dengue fever, and Lyme disease. 5. Food and water security. Climate change impacts food and water security, leading to malnutrition and waterborne diseases. Droughts, floods, and changing weather patterns disrupt food production, while contaminated water sources spread illnesses like cholera and diarrhea. 6. Mental health impacts. The psychological impacts of climate change are significant, but natural disasters, displacement, and the stress of living in a changing environment contribute to mental health issues such as anxiety, depression, and post-traumatic stress disorder. Addressing the health impacts of climate change requires a holistic approach that includes mitigation, adaptation, and resilience-building strategies. 7. Mitigation efforts. Mitigation efforts, such as reducing greenhouse gas emissions, transitioning to renewable energy, and adopting sustainable practices, are crucial for limiting the extent of climate change and its health impacts. 8. Adaptation and resilience building. Resilience through adaptation measures, such as improving healthcare infrastructure, developing early warning systems, and promoting community-based health programs, can help communities better cope with the health effects of climate change. Act now for health and climate. The link between climate change and health is clear and urgent. By taking action to mitigate and adapt to climate change, we can protect our health and create a safer, more resilient world for future generations. Please do subscribe and follow for more on climate and health.